Okay, we got all the DC wiring done. Now I gotta do some real wiring.
Real wire.
These are for a couple switches here. Come over to be fed. This is where the main panels go, so all our home runs are running to there from the top and from the bottom. Then they come across this pipe, which is a piece of conduit that will be mounted to the bottom of his bed frame going across. So this is going to lift up in the air. It's going to be up here. And then I'm all going to the panel on that side, and then this side, one goes to switch here, vanity switch, water pump, switch here for 2 lights he's going to have over his bed. And then something else going down there. I'll vent. But all our wires are run, so we can, this wall we can pretty much insulate and sheathe up. I think we're pretty much done over there. Insulate it and put sheathing on it. And this one won't take long to run them wires where they're going. We've already got the holes all drilled. The holes are all drilled. Just a matter of running the wires and getting them over there and put a staple on them. Because what we'll have to do is cut a hole in the plywood, the sheathing, where these are coming out, and pull them out for now, then they'll mount them on the sheathing later. But it's coming along. It'll come along quick now. That's it.